Today, I'm going to tell you how to make perfect round shape rotis. Here, let me spread the atta evenly to make the flour roti ready. Now, I've already prepared the dough. In case you're interested in a video on how to prepare the ideal dough, I have prepared this video as well, which is available on the I button here. Let us slowly start spreading this atta evenly on all sides. Now, what I'm going to do is prepare a big atta plate so that I'm able to then evenly cut it into 3 concentric circles. Now the atta spread is ready. I'm going to use a stainless steel lid of a container to kind of cut this into concentric circles. You can look at this. I just give it a subtle jab and now I'm able to get this shape. Second, again, place it right next to it and give it a nice jab. Again, for the third one, another jab. Now what is most important is to place the lid on each of these shapes, hold it tightly and remove the atta which is there on the sides of it. Similarly, I do it for all the 3 circles. I hold it tight and remove the atta which is there on the sides. This is for the third one. Nicely just remove it very carefully so that it doesn't affect the other roti shapes. Now we have 3 perfect concentric roti shapes.